To change wallpaper on POCO X7 Pro, first of all, you have to be connected into the internet, so Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now click and hold empty space on your home screen and select wallpaper on the left bottom corner. Right now, if you have some pop-up ads, just select and go forward. And as you can see right here, we can actually find a lot of different wallpapers. So I would like to get, for example, this one. I'm gonna just tap on it. And here you can also find some other wallpapers, as you can see, but I really like the first one. So I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna tap on it and then just click apply, and you can also get rid of depth effect. So that's your choice. I'm gonna click apply and I'm gonna set it only on the home screen. Now, when you go back, as you can see, the wallpaper has changed.